Hello again, my name is Gabe Zolna. On February the 1st, 2016, I posted Islam banned in America in 1952. And that was the McCarren-Walter Act. Now what's interesting about that particular act is it was put in place by a Democratic president, a Democratic Senate, and a Democratic Congress. And what it did is, it did what the title says. Islam was banned in America. That act is still law today. I've done videos on this, and I wondered why President Trump is worried about going to the Supreme Court to try to get his executive order passed, because this, again, is law, and it was passed in 1952. One of the viewers who seems to know what he's talking about, because he studies this kind of history, he wrote, in 1952, Islam was banned from the U.S. We weren't supposed to know this, but it's law. And actually, it was law since President Jefferson made it law in his term. They just added it to the immigration law in 1952. I've sent this info out many times in these forums. I've sent this info long ago to Sessions and Trump and Congress and Gowdy with no results thus far. Don't hold your breath. It seems they are not allowed, and allowed in parentheses, to obey American law since George W. Bush put us under international law. Trump could change that if he wanted to. Another viewer wrote, anyone who believes in Sharia law in America is banned from coming to America. Guess Trump doesn't have to do anything, just enforce existing law. Great find, Gabe. People always talk about going back to the 50s, but we can see why. The country just won a world war, had balls, and did bold things. They knew right from wrong. Today we're living on the fumes of the 1950s. And the greatest generation. Folks, again, there's no reason for President Trump to try to go to the Supreme Court to try to get his executive order passed. And what does this executive order want? Well, a 90-day hold until we can figure out how to properly vet those that want to come to this country. Well, 90 days have come and gone. Have we got that in place? I don't think so. Can you see where it's all nothing but a big joke? I mean, that's what it is. I'm going to attach the Wikipedia link on the McCarren-Walter Act. You take a look at it. You let me know what you think. You know what some of my viewers think, and you sure as heck know what I think, don't you?